In this video, I'm going to talk about the rules of exponents. And we have 3 rules of exponents here, and we're going to discuss each one of them. So we have product rule, power rule, and quotient rule. So let's proceed in the product rule. So it says here that when multiplying monomials that have the same base, add the exponents. So we have here the first example is x times x cubed times x raised to the power of 4. In order to get the product of this equation, we will going to add their exponents, which is 4, 3, and 1. And always remember that there is imaginary 1 in our first x. So we're going to add them all, then copy x in order to get this. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So the answer is x raised to the power of 8. Another example, we have 2x squared y negative 3x cubed y 4. So that is 2 times negative 3 is equals to negative 6. Since the variable given have the same base, meaning to say we will just gonna add their exponents. So let's start with the x. So 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. Y 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. There is always imaginary 1 here, so that is 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. So therefore, the answer is negative 6 x raised to the power of 5 y raised to the power of 5. So let's proceed to the power rule. It states here that when raising monomials to powers, multiply the exponents. So let's have an example. So x squared y cubed raised to the power of 4. So in order to solve this, since the given monomials are raised to the power of 4, so this means that we need to multiply the exponents. So x 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Then y 3 times 4 is equals to 12. So therefore, the answer is x raised to the power of 8 and y raised to the power of 12. So let's have another example of power rule. So 2x cubed y z cubed raised to the power of 3. So same process to this. So since the monomial given is raised to the power, so we are going to multiply the exponents. So 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 8. And 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So that is x9. And 1 is equals, 1 times 3 is equals to 3. So we have here y3. And z, that is 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So therefore, the answer is 8x raised to the power of 9, y raised to the power of 3, z raised to the power of 6. So let's now proceed to the quotient rule. So it states here that when dividing monomials that have the same base, subtract the exponents. So let's have an example. X cubed over x raised to the power of negative 2. Since it is division, we have to subtract the exponents. So that is x3 minus negative 2. So this will become plus, and this will become positive. To add them, so 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Therefore, the answer is x raised to the power of 5. Another example, 5 raised to the power of 6 over 5 raised to the power of 2. So same process, we will have to subtract the exponent of each number. So that is 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. So the answer is 5 raised to the power of 4. So that's the answer. Another example here is 36 m raised to the power of 3 n raised to the power of 5 over negative 9 m n raised to the power of 4. So let's start with the coefficient first. So 36 divided by 9, that is equals to negative 4m. 4. Negative 4. M 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. And 5 minus n, so here and 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So therefore, the answer is negative 4 m squared and n1.